In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Valorant error code 59. What you want to do is you want to open the task manager, go to details, sort by the name, press anywhere and press V, look for any Valorant related, so Vanguard and Valorant, and you want to end the task on those, and also press R and look for Riot Games. Once you make sure you end the task on all of those, what you want to do is search for services, come in here and press anywhere and press V, VGC, automatic, start, apply, OK, close down, and then you want to restart your PC and now it should work. Now, if you've done this correctly and just by following the steps, when you open it up, you should no longer get this error. Otherwise, what you can do is you can open up the Riot client. So let me just do that real quick. Now, once Riot client is opened, you want to come up here, settings, find Valorant and repair your game. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.